Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to automatically give course access in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, make sure you've already created your online course. Next, create a sales funnel with a checkout page or an opt-in page, depending on how you want to give access. Now click Automation and then Rules. Click Create to add a new automation rule. Choose a trigger such as product purchased, funnel step form subscribed, or tag added, depending on your workflow. Next, choose the action called enroll in course. Select the course you want to grant access to. If you'd like, you can add another action to send a welcome email with login instructions and course information. Click Save to activate the automation rule. Now, whenever the selected trigger occurs, System.io will automatically enroll the contact in your course. Finally, test the automation by making a test purchase or submitting the opt-in form to make sure course access is granted correctly. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic course access in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.